Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this Fika Carbonator Pro. This is a high carbonation long lasting fizz. This is a soda maker that comes with one bottle. Alright, so right here we have our Fika Carbonated Pro. We have received it in the mail today. So this is a soda maker. This does give you a high carbonation with a long lasting fizz. So if you like to drink water or you like to have fizzy water. So this one right here says Let's Fika. So this offered in two different colors. You've got this black color and you also have a white. And you also have an option to purchase other bottles. Unfortunately, this one does not come with a CO2 cylinder. You have to purchase that separate. So in this box right here, you do get a cleaning cloth. So this is an anti-dust cloth cleaner. So this is for a premium sparkling water maker. It's designed to produce strong carbonation with exceptionally sharp and fine bubbles for a refined texture. It preserves up to 70% carbonation just after 60 minutes. No more flat drinks. So this is what tells you in the instructions manual. So this is built to last, and its comfortable design is crafted with quality materials. It's got a precise engineered stainless steel nozzle and a chrome zinc lever, which ensures unmatched performance and reliability. So you can enjoy the perfect fizz and your favorite drinks. So this is the bottle and this is the machine. This is the black color. And in the bottom right here in the box, it comes with the bottle cap. So this is where you will dispense the fizz. First off, it'll say important. It'll tell you some important information before you first fizz. This is the top of the bottle. So this is the bottle cap. This is what you'll do to close up the water. So it's nice and aluminum, and it's got your little rubber filter in there, so it helps from leaking or any CO2 getting out. It does come with some extra washers, so that's nice. So this here just has some important information. So this is the handle grip. This is where you will dispense the CO2. So it's very sleek, slim, and it's super lightweight. So in order to get this off, you'll have to pop it down, and it should just come right out. So right here it says important for the use with water only. You do not put any soda or any drinks inside the bottle, just water only. It is not dishwasher safe. Do not use it if it has been used. So we're going to remove the plastic. So this is where it'll dispense the CO2. And you just push this lever down. So this is what it looks like from the back side and this side view. So we're going to turn it on the other side. It does have a spot here at the bottom. So if anything leaks out, it actually will catch it. That's what the top view looks like. And then the bottom view, this is where you'll put the CO2 canister, which it is not included. So there's the drain spot. So here at the bottom, you're going to put the CO2 canister up in here. You can see the connection part. So this one here uses the soda maker ones. So I already got me one of these. These are the ones that have the copper top. This does not take the pink caps to operate. So you just stick it here from the bottom. You just twist it in. And then it'll be tight. Just do finger tight. Simple as that. Now we're going to fill our bottle up with water. And then you can see that it's full. They have a little line there that says where you'll fill it up to. Just push this down. You can see that it's giving a little bit of fizz. I like mine super fizzy, so I'm just going to do it a couple times. So in this one I am going to make root beer. My son wants some root beer, so I'm going to dispense him some root beer. So right now what I did was I did put the soda serum inside of this, and I mixed it up. So we do have a glass of the root beer. It is super easy. The only thing that is missing out of this to start making your soda is the CO2 canister, which all you have to do is purchase the canister. The one that is compatible with this one is the soda maker. So once you get that, all you got to do is screw it in at the bottom, put some water in your bottle, and then once you dispense the CO2 inside it, then you put your soda serum inside of it, and you're ready for your nice glass of soda. Or if you like to use carbonated water, you can put other stuff in there, but it's recommended only to use water inside this while you're dispersing, and then after that you can put whatever you want, or if you want salsa water, that is an option as well. I would highly recommend checking out this soda maker. It is really nice, slim, lightweight, and it does not take up much room.